Britain was built by makers, by people who solve problems, who turn raw materials into world-changing ideas, who design, engineer, test, weld, code, assemble and innovate. But rising energy costs, changing regulation, political uncertainty and widening skills gaps are reshaping the industry every day. And that's where Make UK comes in, supporting manufacturers, connecting industry and giving UK manufacturing a single powerful voice within government.
We all go through essentially the same challenges and issues all the time, but just at different times.
So I think the benefit of being a member of Make UK is the ability to collaborate and share stories with other manufacturers.
And having people that have got the battle scars and that network that is so important to help you get it right.
It's given us insight into the political mindset in Westminster and how that applies to manufacturing today.
Manufacturing in the UK is very important to the UK economy. It employs 2.6 million people and is the engine of innovation and investment within the economy.
So Make UK is the national body for manufacturers. It's been around for 130 years. It is the only body with reach into every corner of manufacturing in the country.
We take all of the insight and intelligence that our members, manufacturers, feed into us, and we spot what are the challenges, what are the opportunities, what are the kind of blockers are preventing manufacturers from maybe growing.
I think we find one of the best benefits is to collaboratively work with Make UK, both for them to be able to advocate for us with the government for various issues that the business is facing.
How Make UK has benefited me and my business is to help us make better decisions and get better access to better data, better industry leaders, better other businesses.
So what is wonderful is to be working with Make UK members to make that case to government, to make that case to policymakers so that we get quality skills that members need.
So we're there in the lowest moments to make sure that manufacturers can have a long-term sustainable future, but we're also there at the other end of that spectrum as well, celebrating the very best of what they're doing.
You know, there's obviously a lot of hardship that goes on in industry, but mainly what gets me out of bed is knowing that I'm going to go and help them make a difference to the community in which they're working.